FrameX turns ideas, images, and prompts into cinematic videos. Click Start Generating to open the workflow dashboard. The dashboard displays a full collection of pre-built VFX workflows. Select Clean Plate Studio to launch a structured AI-powered plate removal pipeline. Enter a unique shortcode to accurately identify, organize, and track the plate being processed within your production pipeline. Add the sequence code to group this shot under the correct scene reference and maintain a clean structure across the project. Enter the project ID so the request is correctly mapped to the right production, ensuring smooth delivery and accurate file organization. Paste the plate image URL to provide the exact visual reference required for clean plate generation and object removal. Describe what needs to be removed in detail to ensure the request is interpreted clearly and processed accurately by the AI system. Set the frame range to define the exact frames that need to be processed, giving the system a clear scope for clean plate generation. Adjust the QC approval threshold to control how strict the auto approval should be. A higher value ensures stricter quality before passes are approved. Enter the supervisor email to receive the completed clean plate output. Click Generate Clean Plates to send the job into the automated processing pipeline for generation and cleanup. Open the delivery email and use Summarize this email to instantly generate a concise overview of the completed results, QC status, and processing details. Review the generated clean plate pass with its QC score and click Watch to view the final production-ready output delivered by Seedance. Seedance 2.0 operates as a complete production pipeline. From concept to final output, execution is automated, structured, and production ready.